Mine's looking pretty awesome. Well, not that awesome. Because mine is good too. All sauces. Oh, they're not the ones. That's what they're doing. Who did I get it?
Oh, got R. Morgan has an M.
M's faster. You just go. Yeah. Layla, what are you doing? Oh, I'm doing one of these. Oh, I'm doing one of these too. And I'm doing these chocolate things. They're so yummy. Yeah, I like them too. There's one thing that I didn't do. Oh, I didn't do these.
Get a good
I
shot
didn't
of
do either.
all the stuff.
Hey!
Get all them building materials.
Mine's looking pretty awesome.
Riley, what's the O for?
L. I'm going to decorate the L. L is a quick one.
What is the O for? On the other side of your house, with the M&Ms.
Is that just a circle?
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
No
that.
meaning.
Mom, Daddy,
What?
can you put an N on mine and
Can-
an O? Can I put an N?
No.
Actually,
We can write your name on the side of the house.
Yay! On one side.
Oh, side that doesn't have any writing on it yet.
Me too. These sides?
Yeah. So
Ooh, I'm gonna stick one of these on
my last name.
Morgan, I'm gonna stick on a jelly bean. There.
I didn't do one of those.
Now, I'm gonna add one of these.
Now
Gum
I'm gonna add
sours.
one of these because I didn't add them.
Yeah. Let's stick them on.
I'm already done for M. See?
good job.
Nice.
Mommy, I want mine to have dots.
Okay.
Oh. My O? Oh. I already, that
A little
O.
trail of nerds.